Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily remove the rear bumper on a Toyota Hiace H200. If you don't want to break any clips, damage any mounting points, or waste time looking for hidden fasteners, make sure to watch this video until the end. First, open the rear hatch. This gives us access to the upper mounting points of the bumper. At the top, you'll find 6 screws holding the bumper in place. These screws need to be removed. You can use either a power drill, an electric screwdriver, or a regular screwdriver. Once all 6 screws are removed, we can move on to the lower section of the bumper. Underneath, you'll find several plastic clips. There are 4 clips in the center and 1 clip on each side. It's best to use a trim clip removal tool, but if you don't have one, a flathead screwdriver will work as well. Carefully remove all of the clips. This part is very simple and only takes a few minutes. Next, we'll move to the side mounting points. This step is even easier. Simply grab the side of the bumper and gently pull it toward you. The side clips will release from their mounting brackets without much effort. Now, I'd like to show you how the mounting system looks from the inside. As you can see, there are guide rails and retaining clips that hold the bumper securely to the vehicle. That's why it's important to pull carefully and avoid forcing anything so you don't damage these mounting points. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Gently pull the bumper toward you and it should unclip easily. At this point, the bumper is almost ready to come off completely. However, keep in mind that there are 2 guide mounts located in the center that help keep the bumper properly aligned. Here's what those guide mounts look like from the inside. Make sure to pay attention to them during both removal and reinstallation. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.